Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Caddy Maxi cargo. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 122 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. This vehicle comes finished in the pearlescent paint colour deep black. Across the front of the vehicle, it features a set of front parking sensors set into the front bumper. Down below, the Caddy sits on the 17-inch Barahona alloy wheels, which come in a multi-spoke design, as well as being finished in a silver colour. Towards the rear of the vehicle, the van features LED rear combination lights, as well as a set of rear cargo doors. The Caddy features a set of rear parking sensors. Taking a look behind the rear doors and into the load area of the vehicle, it comes fully ply-lined, as well as having multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. This Caddy features twin sliding doors on either side of the vehicle, allowing more options when accessing the rear load area. A black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab, and there is a step on either side for easier access into the load area. Up front in the driver's cab, there is a single armrest for the front passenger as well as the driver. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash there is a 10-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations, as well as use the App Connect feature, which allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Just beneath this there are the buttons to access the climate controls, as well as some parking and assist menus. Through the rest of the centre console we'll find 2 drinks holders, as well as 2 USB Type-C charging points. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.